Ever wonder why the celebrities look great even when they're casual out on a day and the paparazzi gets them? You can do that too. I'm going to teach you how to do makeup like a celebrity. I'm Kelly Mashbitz, your Tampa Bay beauty expert. We went ahead and prepped Christina's skin with a nice lightweight foundation. A tinted moisturizer is great. The whole look for the celeb daytime look is fresh and dewy and very natural looking. So we started with a cream blush right on the cheekbone. It gives a nice hint of color. It's really easy to apply using your fingertips. Just stay right up high on the cheekbone. Don't go too low. Okay, the next step, we're going to apply a nice cream eyeshadow. Again, you're going to get that fresh, dewy look by using a cream product. You can apply it with your fingers. I like to use a brush. I have a little more control. And this is a soft almond color. And I'm applying it all over from lash to brow. You see how it gives that nice kind of a shimmery effect here. And now I'm going to crease to contour the eye, give it a little bit more definition. So I'm taking a nice pointy brush and I'm just going right inside the crease, slightly above the crease, and then a little bit on the lower lid on the outside corner. Again, this is going to be a very natural, fresh, dewy look. Okay, now we're going to apply a brown liner. Again, this is daytime, so look down. We don't want to go anything too extreme, too heavy. We want to get that nice, fresh-faced, natural look. So I'm just going along the lash line. And we're going to do a light coat of mascara. She's got nice long lashes, so she doesn't need much. Just going to do a little bit. Perfect. Looking straight ahead. And you can do the lower lashes too if you want. I'm just going to keep it to the upper lashes since she has nice thick lashes. And then the whole look for the celebrity is a nude lip. So we're going to do a very nude lip. I've got a very soft, pretty color. Lips. Just adding a little bit of a shine to that nude lip. And press your lips together. And then we're going to top it off with a nice gloss. Really make it shine. And that's how you do makeup like a celebrity. I'm Kelly Mashbitz, your beauty expert in Tampa Bay.